Hi, I'm Basil and welcome to another tutorial. I'm going to show you the basics of how to ice a biscuit. I've got two icing bags here, and the reason for that is I just wanted to show you quickly the different ways of holding your bag. You tie the knot towards the end of the bag, and then you basically create a twist in the middle. What that is doing is creating a smaller bag for you to be able to squeeze. I also do 2 fingers on the top and 2 fingers on the bottom. The other technique is to pull the knot down as much as you can go, and that means that you can just hold it in one go like this. So you just want to pinch your icing into the very bottom of the bag. This is so you can see where you're going to make the cut. For outline, I'd recommend somewhere along here. And then you also want to trim your bag here along the seam. So when you've made your cut, just squeeze your bag across the grain to open it up. And when you're looking at it face on, you should see a lovely diamond. Just get some parchment paper here, and you just want to do some practice lines. So what you want to do is touch down, give it a squeeze and lift the bag up. That is going to create a nice straight line. And then when you're feeling confident enough, you can practice over some shapes. So with squares, you just want to lift up, and then before you come to a corner, stop applying pressure and touch down. With circles, these are probably the hardest ones to do, but the trick is to lift the bag up as high as you can go and watch it falling. There we go. It takes a lot of practice, so don't give up, you will get there. So stars are a really good way of practicing changing direction. Don't be afraid to lift up the bag. The outline is really important that it's thick because it's going to keep all the flood on the biscuit. So make sure you're cutting your bag just a little bit thicker. So I'm going to start outlining now. Very important to stay close to the edge of the biscuit. Try not to have any gaps in your outline, otherwise the flood will escape and it will be very messy. And there we go. Check out our other tutorials on YouTube for our techniques to flooding and detailing.